Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies on how to make money on YouTube. If you've ever wondered how YouTubers make money, or if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, then this video is for you. Step 1. Set up your channel. The first step to making money on YouTube is to set up your channel. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and create content that your target audience will enjoy. Make sure your channel is branded and has a consistent look and feel. Step 2. Meet YouTube's requirements. In order to monetize your channel, you'll need to meet YouTube's requirements. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. You'll also need to comply with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Step 3. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. You'll need to link your channel to an AdSense account and comply with YouTube's monetization policies. Step 4. Create quality content. To attract viewers and earn money on YouTube, you'll need to create quality content that people want to watch. This could include tutorials, product reviews, vlogs, and more. Make sure your videos are engaging, informative, and well-produced. Step 5. Promote your channel. Finally, to grow your audience and increase your earnings, you'll need to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and use SEO tactics to optimize your videos for search. The more views and engagement your videos get, the more money you can make. And there you have it, some tips and strategies on how to make money on YouTube. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, it's definitely possible. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips or suggestions, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.